Angela is calling a company about a job she has applied for. Hi, my name is Angela Stones, and I'm looking for a Mr. Peter Jones. I'm afraid Mr. Jones is out of the office. I'm calling about my completion for the position of sales. Response is he had asked me to come into for an interview next Tuesday. Oh yes, Tuesday at 4 p.m., right? Yes, I emailed him but got no response. Do you know when he will be back? He's currently on a business trip until tomorrow afternoon. If you need assistance, I can help. Well, something come up and I have to go to the hospital for a few days. Oh, nothing too serious. It is fine, thanks. But I was worrying if we could postpone the interview until Thursday or Friday. I will have a check with Peter on that. I can pass your line on to him, and he will get back to you as soon as he can. Sure, my line ID is Angela Huang, 456. Thanks.